How to get traffic to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome. Today I will show you how to get traffic to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up Shopify, and then what you guys need to do is you can see that on Shopify we have marketing option and we can bring traffic to our store by doing a marketing. So what we can do is we can actually use online store, then we can go for Google, Pinterest, Snapchat ads. Then we have omniscient email marketing. We can also add different email marketing platforms such as Klaviyo. Then we have Microsoft and SMS marketing and email as well. So there are separate marketing apps available on Shopify that allow us to bring traffic to our store. We can also use Google ads, we can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads to do promotion of our store. Now it depends on you what platform you want to use. If you can even use YouTube to bring traffic to your store. So you will set it up. You can use any of these platforms. Just click on setup app. You will create an account and then set up your marketing. We can also set up a budget ourselves in order to bring more traffic to our Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.